If your Whirlpool washer is showing an 5D or SD error, it means the machine has detected excessive suds. This isn't usually a mechanical failure, the washer is protecting itself because too much soap is preventing proper draining. First, press pause or cancel and wait 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the suds to settle so the washer can resume draining. Don't force the lid open if it's locked, just give it time. Once the foam reduces, run a rinse and spin or drain and spin cycle without adding any detergent. This helps flush out leftover soap. In many cases, this step alone clears the error. Going forward, make sure you're using high efficiency detergent and use less than the bottle recommends. Even too much high detergent can trigger the 5D code. Also check the drain system. Inspect the drain hose for kinks and, if your model has one, clean the lower drain filter. Blockages can slow draining and make suds worse. Finally, run an empty hot wash with no detergent to clear buildup. If the error keeps returning, the drain pump may need service.